So continuing on the verb families, we did family number 2. Family 1, of course, we know is the base. This one, fa'ala, fa'ula, and fa'ila. Fa'ila, fa'ala, fa'ula. And family 2 is making the second alphabet double. Fa'ala. Family 3 was fa'ala, having an alif after the first root. And this is what we'll be doing now is family 4, af'ala. Just in summary, the meaning of the families. For verb family 2, fa'ala was the pattern. Allama, yu'allimu was what we're going to learn as the base. Meanings are to cause an action on someone. So of course it becomes transitive, and also there is intensity or strength or violence in the action or being done for a longer duration. Like family 2, allama means you're giving ilm to others. You're causing them to get ilm. So this means teaching. And family 2 is causing the action on others. Family 3 was fa'ala. We'll remember qatala, yuqatilu, qatala. Family 3, if you see the meaning, we saw that the meaning is to do the action with someone. So by default it means that when you're doing this action, if the verb is on this pattern, when the action is being done, the other person also is doing the same action. It's not being done only by one person. Often also it means to make an attempt to do the action, like qatala is to kill, whereas qatala to fight with someone. So now coming to the other verb family, which is af'ala, form 4. Af'ala is you have a hamza before the basic root, which is fa'ala, so you just add a hamza before it and you get the word af'ala, not af'ala. Af'ala, it becomes difficult to say, so you just join it, af'ala. Now this is a proper hamza, it's not a hamzatul wasl, it is a hamza. So everywhere you will have this hamza in the form you're going to pronounce it. Now the basic meanings, again this also has the meaning of causing the action on someone. Like you have kharaja, kharaja means to go out. But when you say akhraja, means you're causing someone to go out. So it's like removing or driving out. Same way, nazala means to descend or to go down, whereas anzala to make something go down. So it's like to bring it down, to make, to take down, to bring it down. Now, of course, we know that when you're making something like to cause an action on something or someone, then that means you're making it transitive. So you're making it able to accept a direct object. You have an example here from Surah 17, Ayah 105. That's I think Surah Al-Isra. وَبِالْحَقِّ أنزلناه وبالحق نزل وما أرسلناك إلا مبشرا ونذيرا. So you have أرسلنا from رسالة, and we have sent it down in reality, and it has come down in reality, and we have not sent you but as a conveyor of good news and a warner. وما أرسلناك. So أرسلنا, sent down. So transitive, how does it become? Like dakhala means to enter. But when I say adkhala, you're making something enter. Nasiya is to forget. But ansa is to make someone forget or to make something forget. Dhahaba means to go, whereas adhaba to make something go away. So that's to remove. Okay, like Alhamdulillahi alladhi adhaba anna al-hazan. Alhamdulillahi adhaba anna al-hazan. Praise is due only for Allah who has removed grief from us. Adhaba. Dhahaba means to go, but adhaba means to remove. So that's how in English you get two different words, like dhahaba means to go, whereas adhaba means to remove. So in the translation it becomes different, but if you see in Arabic it's very much related to go. The meaning dhahaba to go, adhaba to make something go, to make someone go. It's to remove. In English we call it as a separate word is there. Now sometimes verbs of this form might have a completely new meaning. Like qarada means to cut, whereas aqrada means to lend. Laqiya, he met, but alqa to cast down or to fling. Alqa. In tuqridu Allah qardan hasana. If you loan a good loan, if you loan to Allah a good loan. So aqrada, so here the meaning will be different. So sometimes it happens that the meaning changes.